Hello everybody. Today, well, let's see. I need to get this off the screen first. Let's just minimize it. There we go. Today we're going to be talking about Dreaming Tree and all the 3D SVG files that they have. I'm going to show you how to download them, and tomorrow I'm going to make a video on putting some together because sometimes we need the instructions and somebody to show us. Okay, today, let's see, this one is actually the one we're going to do tomorrow, and it's 3 separate loads, or 4, when I downloaded it. So let's go back to Dreaming Tree, and that's www.3dsvg.com. Or you could just do a search for Dreaming Tree. Now when you go to their home page, they're going to have them divided by subjects. And then they'll give you lots of examples along with some blog posts that they do for us. Okay? If you go to the shop page, and you can do all this without an account, but eventually you'll have to set up your own account, and you can register and then log in and be able to get to all of theirs that way. They've got some very, very cute designs, and look at how many. Okay, let's take a look at page 29 while we're here. Okay, aren't these awesome? Okay, if you haven't been here before too, I have a link on my HuntressHabits page. It's under link, let's see, under links, resources. Or I may just put a link at the bottom of this tutorial. If you do that, I get a very small commission when you purchase through that link. What we're going to talk about today, and this has a bunch for Valentine's Day with that coming up. We've got St. Patrick's Day. Where did I just see that? St. Patrick's Day. And of course, school, patriotic for the 4th of July, Mother's Day before that. So you've got a very large variety of SVG in 3D. We're going to talk about the free ones today and go to those files just to show you how to do it. Okay, always remember to sign up for their free SVG newsletter. It'll tell you if something goes on sale or marked down. Okay, here are all the free ones. And there's how many pages plus here. This Dragonfly mini lantern is one of my particular favorites. Okay, and once you add that to your cart and you check out, there's no charge for anything that's free, but you'll check out anyway, the same way that you do any other checkout. Of course, free ones are free, no charge. And then in the mail, you will receive an email from them. Thank you for crafting with them. And you will go and download each of your links. Now, I've already downloaded all of them, but I saved one for y'all. And when I click on it, at the bottom of my computer, and this would be different on a Mac, but at the bottom of my computer it comes up and tells me do I want to open it, save it, or cancel it. Well, I'm going to click on this arrow so I can tell them where to save it. I save as, and I have a Dreaming Tree file set up just for them. And that's where I want it saved. Okay, see, I told you I'd already saved up for the free ones. And if you want to rename it, you can do so. You want to click Save. then open it. And all I'm doing is clicking on open down here to do that. And when I do, I need to click on it and then extract it. On this Windows 10 platform, it's located right here. It would be different on a Mac. Okay, then it gives you the option of where you want to save it. Well, because I've set up that Dreaming Tree folder, that's where it's going to be saved for me. So I extract, and when I do, it comes up with this folder, and when I open it, it's going to give me this that I wanted to show you. If it opens, here we go. There we go. And they retain the copyright on all of this information. Okay, I'm not trying to, I'm an affiliate with them, so it's okay for me to do this. But they strictly have the permission. You can't sell it. Anything that you make, either pattern, it strictly belongs to them. So you need to know that before you go shopping. Okay, we'll close that. Then also I wanted to show you this. This is all the directions. Tells you the supplies. Tells you who made that SVG. Tells you the supplies that you would need. It's going to tell you how many SVGs that are in this download and the ones that you would have to cut. Okay, and then they also have assembly videos on their product page. Okay, and that's kind of what we're going to be doing tomorrow. Okay? Now, we'll close out of that. Get back to where we were. Right here. And some people have a little trouble with their downloads and getting them over into Cricut Design Space. So I'm going to open my Cricut Design Space. I have my file open too, but that's just to show it to y'all. Cricut Design Space. This is the one I'm putting together tomorrow. Okay, we're going to do a new, oops, we need to replace, there we go. Okay, I already have that other one that I had up saved. Now we're going to go down here to the upload. We're going to click on it. I should change the resolution. Let me do that real quick so y'all can see what I'm clicking on. There we go. We're going to upload an image. We'll click on it, browse, and because it's already an SVG, and remember I told you I put it in Dreaming Tree, and I have already unzipped it, and it's the heart treat box. Okay, we're going to click on the first one and open it. Like I said, because it's an SVG, it comes up for you. You don't have to do anything else. The only thing I would do is tag it, everything that you want to put on it, so it's easier for you to find next time. and click Save. Okay, then you have to go and click on that image and insert it. Okay, but what we're going to do is upload the other two also. So let's browse, go to the red heart, open it, and tag it. Valentine's. And then I'm going to click on Save. Okay, now I've got two of them in there. There was one more. So we'll go to Browse, click on the shadow, open it, tag it. Hope I'm not going too fast for you. Valentine's, heart, shadow, layer, white. For whatever reason, you may want to pull up some white hearts. Actually, you could print it any color you wanted. You might want to do red and pink, purple and pink. Okay, now's when we want to select all of them. And if you look right down here, select all three, insert image. If you accidentally clicked on the wrong heart, it would show up down here, and all you have to do to get rid of it is click the X right here before you insert. Okay, there is our pattern. If you wanted to change the size before you printed, all you have to do is adjust it here, either by unlocking it depending on the dimension that you want it, or stretch it out here. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, just so when I do a print screen in a little bit, it will have everything on that screen. Okay, now I'm ready to make. So go give a look at the Dreaming Tree and see all the beautiful things that they have for us for the holidays. Let's go look at Valentine's Day again, because this is my particular favorite, the All Loving SVG bundle. Did you notice on that page a while ago when we pulled up shop, you can get gift cards? Oh, I like that one. That would make a beautiful table center. Okay, and there's more pages of it. Okay, let's go over that gift card again. You can get all different amounts. So be sure and think about that for Valentine's also. Okay, that is www.3dsvg.com. Thanks for watching today, guys, and you will find a video about this on the Patreon page and the HuntressHabits Patreon party. You can become a patron for as little as $1 a month and help support our craft. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.